channel. Today I am going to do a quick little get ready with me. So it's gonna be a little light, not nothing too crazy, because me and my homegirl is going to the beach today. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna set up here. So I'm gonna start off with my brows as normally as what I normally do. And I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Pomade in dark brown. This is like a real get ready with me, you know, crunch time, because we're trying to make it to breakfast. So I'm not ready. But you guys, as you can see by the title, I am in Barbados. Yep, for my homegirl's 30th birthday, so tomorrow's her birthday, and we're about to go eat breakfast in a little while. I'm just using my ColourPop concealer to carve out my brows. Oh, I'm gonna take this little raggedy little flat brush that I normally use and just clean up the brow area on both sides. And I like to blend my concealer with my finger. I don't really have a concealer, I don't really have a concealer brush, so, you know. For my eyebrows, I just use my finger. That's pretty good. So cute and light. So now I'm just gonna go in with my dip brow and fill in my brows. I'm just brushing everything through. This is just a little quick brow, y'all. This is not, you know, I'm not really spending a lot of time on my eyebrows today because we got places to go, places to go, people to see. We don't have nobody to see, but you know. We're gonna move on to the other eye. So instead of, usually sometimes I put concealer on top of my brows, but today I'm not. Just like I said, I'm going to the beach, so I'm just going to carve the top of my brows out with my foundation. And my foundation that I'm using today, well, what I use in all my videos until I get some new foundation. But my Maybelline 24, what is this? Maybelline Superstay, 24-hour Superstay. So I'm going for more of a natural look. Like I said, since I'm going to the beach and my eyebrows do not match, but oh well. I'm gonna do, if we go out tonight, my makeup will probably be looking 10 times better than what it's gonna look now. Cause, you know, we are going out to eat, well, to breakfast, so we don't have that much time. We have time, but not that much time, so I'm just carving the top out with my foundation to make it look a little bit more natural. But like if I'm going out tonight, I would probably use my concealer to cover out the top, or mix the two, because sometimes I don't like it when it's like too bright at the top. I don't like that halo effect, but some of my videos I do just go ahead and carve it out with my concealer. And then sometimes I do like to mix it. Okay, so what am I gonna do next? Let me put some primer on. Primer egg. Damn, I ain't bring it either. So I'm gonna use my No Pore Blim Primer by Touch and Soul. I got this out of my BoxyCharm box for the month of, is it March or February? I can't remember. I think it was February. I don't know. But anywho, so I hope I'm not oily because it's not like a matte primer, but my foundation is matte, so we're gonna see, because I don't want to be looking like a grease ball when I go out to the beach. I might take my powder with me. I don't know, but I'm doing a very light look today. Very, very light look. And I already moisturized my face before my primer. And the moisturizer that I use is the Palms moisturizer. But actually, no, that's what I usually use. I just have my regular lotion because the container that I have at home is too big to travel with, and I don't have time for them to be taking my ish. So, oh yeah, foundation. So now we're gonna go in with the foundation, light as possible, because I ain't trying to be having a whole face at 6 a.m. in the morning. It's not really 6 a.m., but it's morning and I'm going to the beach and I don't want a lot of makeup on my face, so, oh, let me go down. A little bit concealer here. Make my eyes up a little bit. So now that I put my concealer, I didn't put a lot, like I said, it's still, we went to the beach, so I don't want a lot of makeup on. Tonight I might do another one when you really see me beat my face, but you know. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of my concealer. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer. I said concealer. Powder. Pretty vulgar. Translucent. Gonna set where I put that concealer at. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my RK by Kiss Mineral Powder. Just going to set the rest of my face. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, coat my lashes before I apply my falsies. I like this mascara. Applying these demi lashes. I don't know. I think they're Ardell. There we go. Get the other one. So my eyelashes are on, and I'm going to take a little bit of my Pro Touch. Man, I don't even have any in here. I'm gonna make let's do the best of let's do. So now I'm gonna take my Kiss Again by Kiss Hydrating Lip Oil Treatment Gloss. I love this gloss. This is what it looks like. I got it from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just, what, is that a crack on my, oh, okay. I'm just gonna apply it to my lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am all done. Me and my friend is about to go to eat breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me today. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Something natural, something quick, not too much going on because like I said, we went to the beach and I don't want my face to melt off. So please stay tuned and enjoy.